So, as anxious as I am to get to the Intense 5, let me tell you about John Bling from Black Blingers. He created the Take Away Yourself dance back in the day, and even though he's still dancing, he decided to take it a step further and become an artist.
Diamond Block is the place right now over in Elton Park, Spanish Town. I'll go on John Bling.
We're there.
Remind the people, John Bling, former member of one of the legendary dancehall groups.
Black Blingers, you know, we're credited for creating one of the hit dances out of Jamaica. Take Away Yourself, you know what I mean? And the legacy never stopped. And you know, we have the black dice, them and roll out and roll down the whole place. So, yeah man, John Bling, we're there, man.
A lot of people familiar with the dancing side of things, but might not be familiar with your musical side of things. So give it 3 words to describe your musical style.
My music style, motivating, inspiring and different.
Black dice, are you ready? Yeah. Black dice, are you ready?
Coming out from the whole Black Blingers legacy, you start running with a group named Black Dice. We know them as the youth, them who ever light up the torch, them and them something in a dance hall and the flair, them and them thing there. What was it about these youths that make you decide, say, yeah, you know, so I go mentor them youth, yeah?
When I sit down and I do back the whole match, I say I come from Spanish Town. Coming from Spanish Town, Sanjay, St. Catherine, we get a lot of fight in entertainment, not just as dancers. We have to go Kingston, go prove ourselves, you know what I mean? And you're there in the place where around us a coffee come from, Elton View around the corner. You know what I mean? Chronics and the whole of them, over here we come from. So we have to really go out there to really prove ourselves. And the youth them, Black Dice them, I see them do it, but they not get that strength and the love there. And 1 and 2 people really embrace them as a youth on the bad. So they really have to open the door for them and show them the ropes them. When me know, because when you're in the street and you don't know somebody will show you, say go left and go right, you lost.
We are on the place at Tony Montana. Hispanic shirt fi match my bandana.
In your opinion, what would you say is one of the most different or unique things about you and your style?
My style, when you see me, you see John Bling. You know what I mean? We bring creativity to any space where we go, so we think just fish out the box.
I will never kill a friend, never sell a friend for reach out with it.
What made you decide to take up the artist side of things seriously?
I realize that royalties not on your foot as a dancer, you know what I mean? And as I mentioned earlier, I'm from one of the pioneer dance groups in a dance hall. You see me? Black Blingers, and we created one of the biggest dances in Jamaica, historically. See? And we haven't been compensated for it in the real way. So I realize that in order to leave my legacy for my family and my youth, them, you know what I mean? I have to step into music. When I go into music, I have more royalty. And then dancing's like miming. You know what I mean? I want to project my voice because I have things I want to say.
What has the journey been like creating a platform for yourself separately from dancing?
One of the hardest things, you know what I mean, you like myself, you're doing music and, you know, the interview is about me, but I have to show my accolades same way. The song where you dropped the other day, like the last real one left, that's how I feel. You know what I mean? Being everything when I go through in my whole career, just for try and make it to the level for show people say, yo, I have it in my I can do it. You know, all the doors closing on my face and it's just an uphill battle.
Yeah. Watch out now. Hear me now? Yo. We are on the place at Tony Montana.
Talk to me now, you have a new single where you run with now. Protagonist is the name?
Protagonist, yeah man. Because Protagonist is really the lead and the main character of a movie and a film. You know what I mean? And life is a movie. You know what I mean? And only thing about this life, you can't rewind. You know what I mean? You just have to continue to play. So the song I mean a lot to me, Sanjay. This particular beat, me I vibe it and thing. I'm going to go to Boom and say I'm going to come link up Barbo's, which probably there right now, fresh out the box. And we have vibe the song and I put my verse on it and I say Barbo's, I want the song for different, I want something different, you know what I mean? But I hear my work with a female artist, bad upcoming female artist. She named Ali. And I say, here what brother, put Ali on this and I can see what we can come up with and see it there. Protagonist, the rest is history.
Say them are on the street, but I don't do it already, them not ready. Them not ready.
Lastly now, John Bling, I want you to tell us what most makes John Bling intense.
When you see John Bling, you know it's not a normal thing, you see me? We just fresh out the box and everything what we do. So from you see it, you see different. That's what makes John Bling intense.
Wouldn't even have to ask where you get the name John Blingy. Rich chop.
Money pocket, we out here.
I'm sure we'll be hearing more from him.